Welcome to Selection with Sathi. Today we cover advanced graph algorithms, strongly connected components, bridges, and articulation points. These are high-weightage topics in GATE CSE and appear frequently in coding interviews. We will see Kosaraju's algorithm, Tarjan's algorithm, bridge detection, and articulation point detection, all with code and dry runs. Let us begin. Before we dive into the algorithms, we need to understand DFS timestamps. Look at the code. We maintain a global timer. Line 8, when we first visit node U, we record the discovery time. Line 12, after processing all descendants of U, we record the finish time. The parenthesis theorem says, for any two nodes, their intervals are either completely nested or completely disjoint. If U is an ancestor of V, then disk of U is less than disk of V, and phen of V is less than phen of U. The U interval completely contains the V interval. This property is fundamental to Kosaraju's and Tarjan's algorithms. Kosaraju's algorithm finds all strongly connected components in 3 steps. A strongly connected component is a maximal set of vertices where every vertex can reach every other vertex. Step 1. Run DFS on the original graph. Push each node onto a stack after it finishes. Look at lines 3 through 6. Nodes with higher finish times end up on top. Step 2. Transpose the graph. Line 8 reverses all edge directions. Step 3. Pop nodes from the stack and run DFS on the transposed graph. Lines 11 through 16, each DFS exploration from the stack gives 1 SCC. Why does this work? The transpose preserves SCCs but reverses the connections between them. Processing in reverse finish order ensures we do not cross SCC boundaries. Total time, O of V plus E for 2 DFS passes and 1 transpose. Tarjan's algorithm finds SCCs in a single DFS pass. Look at line 6. Each node gets a discovery time and a low link value. The low link is the lowest discovery time reachable from this node's subtree through back edges. Line 8, we push the node onto a stack and mark it as on stack. Lines 10 through 12, for unvisited children, recurs and update low of U as the minimum of low of U and low of V. Lines 13 and 14, for back edges to nodes still on the stack, update low of U as minimum of low of U and disk of V. Line 15, the key condition. If disk of U equals low of U, U is the root of an SCC. Pop everything from the stack down to U, that is the SCC. This is more efficient than Kosaraju because it uses only 1 DFS pass. A bridge, also called a cut edge, is an edge whose removal disconnects the graph. We find bridges using a modified DFS with discovery times and low link values. Look at line 5, each node gets disk and low values. Lines 8 through 10, for tree edges, recurs on the child and update low of U. Line 11, the bridge condition. If low of V is strictly greater than disk of U, edge U to V is a bridge. This means there is no back edge from VS subtree that reaches U or any ancestor of U. Removing this edge would disconnect VS subtree from the rest. Lines 13 and 14, for non-parent neighbors already visited, update low of U with disk of V. Note, we skip the parent to avoid counting the edge we came from as a back edge. Total time O of V plus E. An articulation point is a vertex whose removal disconnects the graph. Similar to bridges but with two different conditions. Look at line 13. For a non-root node U, if any child V has low of V greater than or equal to disk of U, then U is an articulation point. This means V's subtree cannot reach above U through any back edge. Note, this uses greater than or equal, not strict greater than like bridges. Look at lines 16 and 17. For the root of the DFS tree, U is an articulation point only if it has two or more DFS children. If the root has only one child, removing it does not disconnect the rest. Line 9 counts the DFS tree children for the root check. Total time O of V plus E, same as bridges.
Let us trace Kosaraju's algorithm on an 8-node graph. The edges are 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 0 forming one cycle, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 3 forming another cycle, 6 to 7, 7 to 6 forming a third cycle, and 6 to 5 connecting them. Step 1. DFS on original graph. Starting from 2000, we visit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then from 6, we visit 6, 7. Stack fills by finish time. Step 2. Transpose. Reverse all edges. 1 to 0, 0 to 2, 3 to 2, and so on. Step 3. Pop from stack and DFS on transpose. Pop 6. DFS finds 6 and 7. First SCC is 6, 7. Pop 4. DFS finds 4, 5, 3. Second SCC is 3, 4, 5. Pop 1. DFS finds 1, 0, 2. Third SCC is 0, 1, 2. 3 SCCs total. The condensation DAG shows SCC 1 points to SCC 2 and SCC 3 points to SCC 2. Now Tarjan's algorithm on a 5-node graph. Edges 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 0, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 3. Visit node 0, disk 0, low 0, push to stack. Visit node 1, disk 1, low 1, push to stack. Visit node 2, disk 2, low 2, push to stack. Node 2 has edge 2, 0, which is on the stack. Update low of 2 to min of 2 and disk of 0, which is 0. Return to 1, low of 1 updates to min of 1 and low of 2, which is 0. Now visit node 3 from 1, disk 3, low 3, push. Visit node 4, disk 4, low 4, push. Node 4 has edge 2, 3, on stack. Low of 4 becomes min of 4 and 3, equals 3. Return to 3, low of 3 is min of 3 and 3, stays 3. Disk of 3 equals low of 3. SCC root. Pop 4 and 3. SCC is 3, 4. Return to 0, disk 0 equals low 0. Pop 2, 1, 0. SCC is 0, 1, 2. 2 SCCs found in a single DFS pass. Finding bridges in an undirected graph with 6 nodes. Edges 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 0 forming a triangle. 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 3 forming another triangle. DFS from 2000. Visit 0, disk 0, low 0. Visit 1, disk 1, low 1. Visit 2, disk 2, low 2. Node 2 has edge to 0, a back edge. Low of 2 becomes 0. Return to 1, low of 1 becomes 0. Visit 3 from 1, disk 3, low 3. Visit 4, disk 4, low 4. Visit 5, disk 5, low 5. Node 5 has edge to 3, back edge. Low of 5 becomes 3. Low of 4 becomes 3. Low of 3 stays 3. Now check edge 1 to 3. Low of 3 is 3. Disk of 1 is 1. 3 is strictly greater than 1. Bridge found. Check edge 0 to 1. Low of 1 is 0. Disk of 0 is 0. 0 is not greater than 0. Not a bridge. The only bridge is edge 1 to 3, the single connection between the two triangles. Finding articulation points in an undirected graph. Edges 0 to 1, 1 to 2, to 2, 0 forming a triangle. 1 to 3, 3 to 4. DFS from 2000. Visit 0 as root. Visit 1, disk 1, low 1. Visit 2, disk 2, low 2. Back edge to 2, 0, low of 2 becomes 0. Return to 1, low of 1 becomes 0. Visit 3 from 1, disk 3, low 3. Visit 4, disk 4, low 4. Return to 3, low of 4 is 4, disk of 3 is 3. 4 is greater than or equal to 3. Node 3 is an articulation point. Removing it disconnects 4. Return to 1, low of 3 is 3, disk of 1 is 1. 3 is greater than or equal to 1. Node 1 is an articulation point. Removing it disconnects the triangle from 3 and 4. Check root 0. It has only one DFS child, so it is not an articulation point. Articulation points 1 and 3.
Quick exam tips. First, for Kosaraju's algorithm, remember the 3 steps: DFS to fill stack, transpose the graph, DFS in reverse finish order. Each DFS on the transpose gives one SCC. Second, in Tarjan's algorithm, update low link from DFS children using low of V, but from back edges to on-stack nodes using disk of V, not low of V. Third, bridge condition uses strict greater than, low of V greater than disk of U. Articulation point uses greater than or equal, low of V greater than or equal to disk of U. Do not confuse these two conditions. Fourth, in gate problems, draw the graph, run DFS, fill the disk and low arrays step by step. The answer follows directly from the conditions. For more DSA concept videos with code walkthroughs, download the Selection with Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.